A call from the police in St. Catharines South this evening for residents to take greater steps to secure their homes and increase protection for property like motor vehicles. The matter comes as the police in that division work to curb a spike in motor vehicle theft, particularly in Greater Portmore. Krista Campbell reports.
A motor vehicle behind an iron bar in a house in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. It's the type of extra layer of protection the police in St. Catharines South are steering residents towards to help reduce the high number of vehicle theft in that area. At a special training session on the weekend, they stressed the importance of simple things like proper outside lighting to help deter intruders.
If you have orange light, red light, and blue light, you cannot see the person face or clothes properly. I noticed when a crime is committed, the police, the law enforcement people said, what the person look like. If you cannot say what the person look like, what color shirt, because they work with radio, right? So if Sergeant Bayless come at the home, then she can read and say, he's in a red shirt and he's, you understand, and a blue pants. But if you don't have proper light in the dark, you're going to think the red shirt is orange. You understand?
Susan Robligen is a certified facilitator of a strategy dubbed Crime Prevention Through Environment Design. She explained that having clear visibility from windows and doors is also a deterrent for intruders.
For those that are planning to add on your home, it's best that you have window facing and door facing to the street. All right? Because it allows occupants to observe what is happening outside. It enables neighbors to see suspicious behavior around your entrance, and it really increases the likelihood that offenders will be seen, and it's straight the concept of eyes on the street.
She wants Jamaicans to again normalize staying on their verandas and porches to keep watch on their property, while she stressed the importance of community in the fight against criminals.
Persons normally put privacy over safety. You're building up the wall very high because you don't want the neighbors to see in your yard because they move fast. But that's not the way we're going now. We're going with community, helping each other.
When neighbors look out for each other, when citizens and police work hand in hand, we create a shield of protection that no criminal can penetrate.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, Western Jamaica gets multi-million-dollar water boost. And in business news, utility leaders bemoan challenges in building back post-Hurricane Melissa. We'll be right back.